because you are not dependable. You are not reliable. You are not honest. But as me say, other Jamaicans that are in their fields, mechanic, whatever, once you're fair and honest, you don't have nothing to worry about. So, with all that said, this is a wake-up call. Because trust me, once them start get business, them are go bring in more Chinese in again in that field. And this are go layer from different places. You are go see Chinese teacher, you are go see Chinese barber, you are go see Chinese everything, little by little by little. Them are coming while we are leave. So them are go almost own Jamaica.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
Because we turn our back on Jamaica. And boy, me no like it. But I have an idea, we have to accept it. Because that's how it go. It's just like if you have your woman and you not pay your woman no attention. You know, take care of your woman, you know, show her no affection, no love, nothing. Another man I go do it. And guess what now? You can't get pissed off when that man come in.
You're serious?
Because now